Where are you guys going?
The beach.
You're going to the beach? Are you jumping and driving at the same time?
Yeah, sure, driving.
Driving?
Driving to the beach.
Driving to the beach? Yeah.
That's fun.
Can you give Annie a big hug? Can you give her a big hug?
Okay, Annie.
Annalise, can you give her a big hug? Big hug. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice, Annie.
She's like, I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah, say, come drive with me, Annie.
Annie, are you gonna drive with Annalise?
Are you gonna go to the beach?
Drive?
Yeah. There's more. She was interpreting her signs. Did you hear that? Yeah. She said,
She need pretty?
I need pretty, yeah, because when we go out, I said, I see your pretty hair. All right.
Really cute. That is really